Kublai pi baro kanigedi dotashi meglai bang ipten subhai pi baro jakatu kubo meta ka janmiet shaban pash ki khubor ke bapnai pechmai ki man pokongsan Penkup burom ka All Meghalaya 4th Teachers Association yo menteri rangba ka jelau kondret kesang mahatura halor ka jing penkiu tulop ye kinohikai Pendam no ke sarkar Meghalaya ya ke jing tmu bantai ka hotel ha dolen nong lumpong deng na ke jing persya ki padma On pelong ya kata masa nyang taser ha ka prabat kendai terigu jemang hajan ke nong kelem wildlife sanctuary But ki civil service ki doni ke lingkor ke bekongsan ban pen urlong ye jing tmu jo ke sarkar ban pen poi hok ki pai ba ong vice president kri CP Radhakrishnan Mentangine pash ki khubor na keleng ka jela Menteri rangba ke jelau kondret kesang ma ula yo ya ke jingpen buram na ka All Meghalaya 4th Teachers Association Garo Hills Unit hatura hinin kesngi halor ke jingpen ki utulop thmai na ke bentai ki nong hikai haba ajin kren hakani kesngi menteri rangba ke jelau laong baki dan kumba arpu lai hajar ngut ki nong hikai ke bla yo jingmen toy na ke jingpen ki utulop bat ka thong galong bat benti kena ba ke tulop ka dei ban yo ka por ka bapiang But ban pin bhai ke jing ai jing sakri. Ula banjur halor ke jing don kamban ai ke jing hikai ka bapaka na ka benta ki khena puli. Kat ba na kaliang menteri ka tana ka kot ka kya uba lakman rumbui laong bakan ni ke jing kintiu tulop kan ai men sim kinong hikai bakin nang tre khambha susu. Kani ke jing kintiu tulop kan sedang tre kam na ru ka shi tarik uyayong 8,000
That today over 23,000 teachers who had been expecting that consecutive governments will resolve their problem but could not. I'm very happy that today this government has been able to take that tough decision to be able to resolve the issues of all the SSA teachers, including their 4th teacher, as well as the issue of ad hoc teachers and the Hindi grant and the science grant teachers. And I must take this opportunity to congratulate our Education Minister and all the officers and also our previous Education Minister. Everybody has played a role in making this particular decision a possibility.
Menteri rangba ke jelau kondret kesang mahinin kesngi. Ulai lek pension benda ke program balapan long da ke Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare mansam jengarap nak benda ki nong rep ha SMELC tura. Haba jeng keren ha kene ke program. Ukondrat sang mau laong baka thong jong ka sarkar ka long ban kintiu ka yo ka kot jong kinong rep de ka baai jing rap halor kumno ban la ban penmi bon ki ma rep ban halor ka rukom rep ka bathmai da ba kudo baki don hadu kumbah nyau pho na ka shispa ki long yeng ki bedang im jak po ha ka kam rep kam riang ulapan pau baka sarkar kala penlut hadu an riu pu ar klur tingkah po jong ka ginger mission Kabanai jeng mentoy ya kumbak khat kendai hajar ngut kinong rep. Bat kadon ya kejeng temu benang penyar susu. Pada hari ni ke program. Lasam age kinong rep iki sembai sing. Kisbo dawai. Ki tiar pen penon kam haber rep. Bat ki wei ki pen mentoy ya ki. Bakin la benang kiyo hakayo kakon.
70% na batte. Chukmotan retsasauni sotsni lokdang ram. Anchini gamme ki itsakapan nuktang rang punga. Aro yanon janggi tange dalo yanon pangchakinya. Aro yanang ko masien Government of Meghalaya dengtang chini program rang ko chinga an chini ga make it chaka parang ko chini farmers rang na support ko na chinga baka program rang ko chinga pa chinga ta na dengtang an chini personalized welfare schemes like focus plus oni an chini CM assured program wana ke dengtang government ni program policy rang ko chinga da lo thariye gata scheme rang ko bokote an chini ka make it chaka pa noptang rang na chini ma na de petchga dalu dakcha kanina ko otninga
ka sarkar jilla kalashme karai ban pinsange no ke jingthmu ban pitre kam ek project ban take a 5-star hotel hapo ulum pongdeng hadin balami ejing persan ke pajba but haba ai jing kren chikla pathai khubor unong ai kitin ke sarkar MDA ba wailat miki shala ulong ba ke jing take a 7-star hotel ha Orchid Lake Resort kandang yai peteng kumbalat mu ha ke besdang ba ulong ba ke sarkar kaburom mi ke jing sngo ki pajba bat kam kwa ban le persha Henry Don ki seng san perthei ki batmu ban yo jing mentoy politik na kani ka kam tam ba ke MP election shiteng samoi na ke shalom parliamentary kelajan
the issue with Lumpong Deng, but they are quite firm that they want the project to continue. But their request from the end is, since there are concern regarding this particular island, so they request the government that to withdraw Lumpong Deng as of now. So after hearing the concern, and then from the government point of view, since from day one we were very clear that in the original agreement that there from the government side we are quite straightforward. We have said from the day one that there will be no construction in Lumpong Deng. It will be purely experiential tourism. So that's why since we today the Senjuk of Rangbak Shnong came, which are the direct stakeholder of that area. So that's why we thought, since there are concern from public, because as you all know that we are always, no doubt whatever it is, because whatever we do, we want public to support, and it is for the beneficial for the public. So that's why we thought that it is best at this point of time that we will withdraw Lumpong Deng from this project.
Ka Green Tech Foundation kala pensaknya no ia ka jingi ki sha thangan kabla ne khat ars ngi linter hadim ka sarkar jilla kala menjur ban pelak no ia ka dolen nong Lumpong Deng na ka jing thmu ban pentre ka Taj Resort project ka umyam secretary ka Green Tech Foundation ba retrailing do ulapen bana ba la saknya no ia ka jingi ki hadin ba ka jing dawajum ki kala orlong watla ulapen rem halor ka jing ben slam jong ka sarkar ban shimya karai Ula ben rabru dah kebaong bakat hong ban yada ya kedolan nong Lumpong Deng kala orlong hinrei ki wei pat kimat ki bakta kamariang kidang sa ban penbei
Ipa kepada orang hari kejaga bapin yo lang kesimpulan kepada pokok sini Green Tech Foundation but now berkaitan dengan kesimpulan dan IT in consonance with our demand that Lumpong Deng Island is excluded from the overall development of the said luxury resort and spa. Without taking for the government, the most inhumane government that Meghalaya has witnessed.
Yes!
12 long days and 12 long nights for them to get on their knees. The government itself, although we had anticipated that it would collapse after the hospitalization of our children, but today, mark my words, the 20th day of April 2026, the government of Meghalaya, the MDA-led NPP government, has now trembled in fear. And as Green Tech Foundation took the forefront to raise the green ethics and the sensitivity of Lumpong Deng Island as an eco-fragile system, we had achieved our goal this evening. However, the scam that we had exposed alongside environmental issues is still at large and yet to be addressed.
Simbut Menteri Rambak Kejalau Bas Niau Balang Dhar mentak kasi ula ong ba kasing National People's Party keladat penkrea nak bentak election sitting samoy jong ke Shillong Parliamentary panjit yu MP bertemai batsyan kasing katsapen benano ia ke kerteng jong kertong ulak no bakidan katu kat ni ki bertemu banshim kabu politik halor kamat kebaidai ba ulum pondeng haswa ke election badong ba kasing shen kan sedang no ke jingalap election pat ba Ubat dahar laong susu, bagi sorkar ketemu ban buok dor ban IY no hidukan kenang ba onla ban pleno ya ke yo shopping mall ke badana pulu, bat kalapan ru iki jing tip ki babnya nang ke Airport Authority of India, halor ke jing terwa ban penyar ya ke kat ling sun Shillong Airport.
That public rally and all these things by VP, they're starting campaign because of the by-election MP. Simple as that. And we also are to start campaign only, maybe by next one. That is a part of the agenda to campaign. See, every political party is their duty to campaign for the by-election. No, maybe they want to use as a by-election agenda. That is up to them. We are well prepared. We are yet to finalize, so we will call meetings, all the party names. So we'll take a call, we'll take a decision, we'll decide who is our candidate. We'll finalize, we won't see what applicant, we are very close to announcement of the name of the candidate.
Hadim belayo ia ke kubor, halor ke jembun juga beriu, ke bayo ke jempang yang persit ha Bangladesh, ke sorkar Meghalaya, kelapat ha iki board district ha kitain kaput, manlong ke bahusiar. Menteri Wakmi ia ketenak ke kot ke kia, ula ong bahaduk mentah, Ompat Melayu kubor bakin don kibriu ki babit ia kini ke jingpang. Hinre kilap tha ki bor ki bade pet bakin kmi benia. Yo ki don kibriu ki bayo ya kini ke jingpang.
It's a measles outbreak in our border country, Bangladesh, where I think almost more than 100 children have died. But as of now, it's like we are in close contact with from the health department, with especially with all the neighboring district which share border with the Bangladesh. So as of now, we have not got any kind of report from there. But we have given clear direction that they will be alert and to report if any incident happen. But as of now, I like to make it sure that no incident reported as till today.
Hadim belami ke jeng pemiasung tu jengbun, but kahuri hura, happening ke Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association, but ke Southwest KHASI Hills Truck Owners and Drivers Association. Lapan sa angya no ke jeng shalani ko ka ketai nong juri, mentala jan shibnai, but ke niklak ta ke kamai kaji jeng kibrio ke ni ketai. Kanong Juri Area Trade Welfare Association hinin kesengi kelapan long ke jingyalang bat terwah badai ban pentre kamno da serial number nak bentaki truk jom baro artli kikin hun kenang ban onyo sedang biang no ia kakam. Kanong Juri Area Trade Welfare Association kelakin tu ya baro artli association ban pinbet no ke jing per jingmut tak bamaham baki hapan shim ke jingkit clear lada mi kinu ke jingeki.
Dakoi ke jengmut ngila rai ba ila menjur alor kani ke kam ba kit yaki kuk nasine ka dong ka thain ka jungi ba mi ki cingklumar ka ba ka Southwest KHASI Truck Owner and Driver Association bat ka Meghalaya Truck Owner and Driver Association kila abu ya ka strike ba ki temwan shu ban kit yo marku jungi sene te ngila rai ba ka jingya klumar ka jingya per jengmut apa dia ka jongki kalau ni aduk mentah dak kowe kejemut ngila rai pun ka nong Jiri Area Trade Welfare Association ba ngi pedeng ya kata ka serial number ba baru artliki association ka Southwest bat ka Meghalaya kide ban aya ka serial yaki registration kali jongki angi kenang bangin yok no ban penya ya kata ka serial dak kata ka serial number ban one kit ya umar kuk jungi sene te ngakerpat ru ya baro artli ki asjon ki ba don kajing perjumut bakin wan kata kajing suk kajing baki la ban tre ban wan pelabiang sakani kadong kathan kajungi bakin don kata kajing sebut jemut bat yang menta kum ki trashnong trajaka ngila pedem pek ban penya ya kata kasirial nombar bat ya ki kali ki jongki ki depan phano ai kita ki registration ki jongki hangi na bungiyo no ban penya na dula shai lasisni ban penya ya kata kasirial nombar
Nakajingki ke eryong ba uslap ubujur hakashno maulang ba ha West KHASI Hills District hinet gamin kumba arpaut li yeng lajur lor lut kentubru yagi mani Presbyterian ba ke school hagani ke jingki eryong hagawai ni ki yeng ka ba sha penjulor saungut ki briu klamen saw balapen kit no iki sha civil hospital nongston arngut nakini ki ba men saw lahapan pen kirya no shishlong manyo ag jing sumar ka ba khamba Hagani ke jingki eryong bo na ki dieng ki la klem hapo surok kablapen slempat ya ka ken hun yarap man poi shakani ke jaka wan ra jing ye ki long yeng ki bla shakta
kayo ang kasura bikin na ko tha tu lang det ayo pra bikin kai mana ya yan dai ngut khun ba kem ye mun sa ko ni sa sa
Ki nong mi kmat na ki school deficit but na ki college ana MEGHALAYA menta ka singi kilayang persya ya ka jimpit mena ka betamai halor ka MEGHALAYA non-government schools and colleges employee centralized fund scheme arajar arpunrio ka professor bla shong that ka BH Buam kala ong ba ki nong hikai ki kentat ya ka ni ka scheme ta ka bapen pau ka jing sokya ba ka jing pentrai kam ka ye pair na ka draft jung usnem arajar arpulai Bat kala benrap baya kamat ke baidai bat ke jumentoy na CPF. Om shimpat lala ban penbet bat mentah kadang don hapok ke jing bishar ke yang kasri. Na kaliang kinong hikai kila kentui ke sorkar bakat day ban buat bat penyat kat kum ke jing ptha jongkaan.
Teachers are suffering. I am suffering. I am going through a lot of financial hardship. And as I said, the escalation, the cost of living, the medical expenses, the other demands are there. Now, will that be realized by the government? And I think they will be realizing because this is a matter of survival. It is a matter of livelihood. And I put a question, should a tragedy happen that the government should wake up?
Riboy Tourism and Environmental Development Forum kalapin benabakan pelombiang ya ketamasa nyang taser belatip kum kanyang World Cup. Haga prabat kendai terik ujemang hayo sier kabadon hajan kanong kelem Wildlife Sanctuary. Ya kini ketamasa laju pelong shisien manla ka sausnem. But on sadon shibun kijak jinglek kaitan rai, kijing shat tan rai, kijing ekop shat, but kiwe kijak jinglek kai ki bapen pau ke riti ke dustur, but kijing long tan rai jung kinong boy. Kinong peniak kini ketamasa ki lakot sobhaya ki pat ba nong shong shnong ke jela, but kinong jungok kai purthei, bakin dia wan banishim bentalang, hakini kijing rakhi ke baarski.
Kariboy Tourism and Environmental Development Forum kan pelong biang mantau slam ya kanyang taser festival hangtay hapo yauser hakasinong saiden belong kajincingai tang kumbasan kilometer na surok ba te kum kaseng ikot iwer ipi kipai ba ibedon hapo ni jela kajongi mo ibedon hapo district kajongi ba pinyawan menyelek kemenlem hakate kasngi ban pensingai nak mentakate tamasa jongan yang taser Uni yang terser udah ujak kenyang ubajumi sisin sausnem. Bat shua ka World Cup ujumi uni. Nampak kata kibrio kibedon hapo katem di boy kamtam kene kijaka kibami ba kijuba me uni ujak kenyang. Mo ulong ba ubaklen ba kiong. Bat kalong ru ka snem ka ba shua ban sedang ka World Cup. Ba kibrio ki le kemen bat kijukot tu uni kenyang utau nyang World Cup. Maka takum kaseng ilayo pan pelong hausnem arajar katra ya kaneka festival bat mantau usnem iyo pan pelong biang haka jingi trilang bat ka sinong saiden kaneka program ka bagi pelong in collaboration baka sinong saiden bagi pelong ya kane baka program pelong ka tenan bat nama kata i khot i wer i piki pai ba nong sinong ki bedon hapo ni kejala ke jungi hapo pure snow ini kijing snow na kaleng ke jungi one ban mark ban recommend ia ketika
Presbyterian Church of India kan pelongga 46th Biennial General Assembly ban rakhe ya keling khodap shis pasnem hasilong na du ka arpu kenai trek yayong hadu ka lai trek jemang ya kini program on penia de Presbyterian Church Putmuri but on one ishim benta de kisinot beper na keling jongkari ha ka ba ya program rakhe dap shis pasnem on pelong ka art trek jemang hamadan he maulai but on sa penkot pat ha ka lai trek kasi ublei Hajalan Nehru Stadium Shillong.
Delegates, the committee members, the invitees, well-wishers, and the delegates of the 46th Biennial General Assembly and the Centenary Jubilee Celebrations 2026 who have made arrangements to attend this auspicious event to be held at our church, the Putmuri Presbyterian Church, Shillong, on the set date, 29 April to 3rd May 2026. And we believe that this week-long event is significant in itself, as it marks only not the biennial session of the General Assembly, but also commemorates the 100th year of its inception. And we hope and pray that our journey together during this remarkable event will be a milestone leading to yet another landmark in the history of the Presbyterian Church of India. And we wish all of you well, and may you have a wonderful time during your stay in this eventful program.
Mentang ni pas ki kubor na keling kathan chatilam ingi. Hinden kemit ke eryong ke bejur kelawan ra ke jingjulor ha Golpara district ke belakata ke late kawan hasilin terjong Surabaya NH 17 haduno ina kadau jong ke jingkelem jogi die ki pos ding electric but bondli ki pandal bihu kila shapen julor ha ka baki yeng ki sem ki bedon ha ka thain Krishna vela khamar kila shak tajur shu lapan sange ashwai ki jipelong ki school ha ki jakak besyakta hadin bekitunum sop yeng kila shapen julor ha kaler Kibor peniat kila sedang ban bisa penia halor ki jing lut jing sep bat penia kren na ka benta ki kam maramot mentai ne pas ki kubor na keleng kari Vice President kari UCP Radhakrishnan ulaong baki civil service ki don kalingkor ka bakungsan hagban pentrei kami ki jingtmu bat ki kindon jong sarkar ha kishnong gitao haba ai jingkran na kasngi rakhi ka civil services day ha New Delhi में दागसंगी Radhakrishnan ulaong ba ye ki jingtmu la banshna ha kanong ba Delhi hinrei ki jing sai so jong ki jing trei kam kan urlong tangla de ki jing pentrei kam hok ki Pada kajuk po la Ibu Romeo Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel kum ukpa jong ko all India services but pen pawalor ka jingkiu jong ka India ha ki jingtei ka kwat ka kya ka puli puthi ha ka kerdan ka purthei
work. Their officers as the true implementers of government decisions, your tireless dedication has been the major factor behind these achievements. But still, as I said, we have miles to go. Yes. We should not get satisfied what we have achieved, but we have to remember what we have achieved to keep ourselves moving forward. To move forward with more energy, we have to think about our achievements, but we should not get stopped there, or we should not become a stagnant force. It is a journey of development reaching the lost mile. It is a vision of inclusive growth and development. I urge you all to continue the same level of commitment and integrity in implementing the government schemes so that the benefits truly reach those who need them the most. The poorest among the poor and their need has to be taken care.
Tamil Nadu Menteri Kesoka Pedang Piyush Goyal ula kamba kadon kajing kesan ka baklan ya ke NDA kat ba kajing elap election kalakut nok menta kesi. Ueda padi ke Palaniswamy ula kentho ke DMK kat ba ka kani mozi kalapan pawalor ke jing job jong ka seng jongka. Undang elam ke BJP UK Anamalai bat u An Bumhani Ramados jong ka seng PMK kila pendap ke jing elap election ke jongki. Pada kaju kepor Vijay ula pelong ki rally Chennai. Ki don palat 1,000 ngut ki kertong ki bani airang hak ni ki election na ki seng sign pertai beper bat ki kertong shimen. Kat bahabu West Bengal on yakun na kabenta ki shis pa sanpu artli ki shuki hakawat ka baningkong. Mentangin ne pash ki kubor na keleng ke pertai. Korea United States kalapan pau kejeng song scam kejong ka ba kejeng kren disuk bat ke Iran kalapan beteng briang ha Pakistan kat ba kejeng te sange yasiat ka bashipor kalajan kut bat kumta ki kubor ki lapan pau ba ujiri vans ula banlet na ka benta kejeng kren kat ba ke Iran kadang bishar binia halor ke ni ka benta bat ompat la ban shemi ka rai ka bakat do kumta shushu wat laki dak jong ka jing sedang biang ka jing kren kaladon hinrei kadang don hapedeng ka jing artati mendai ne pash ki kubor hilekai Ha ka Limpung Yelekai Cricket ka Sunrisers Hyderabad kan yakun persya ka Delhi Capitals at Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium Hyderabad ka pornyo steng minta ka janmiet. Hinan kasi ka Mumbai Indians ka lapanrem ka Gujarat Titans da kandai ran ha ka jingekun ka lapanlong Narendra Modi Stadium Ahmedabad ha ka bautilag Varma u klamsha penrem but ulayo Korea ka century but yo ya ka nam player of the match. Timin tapat ni pet ya ka jinglong jaman kesim dengar keleng ki benta jong ka jela. Hatura ka jing trek kelong 8 degree Celsius ka jing kelong lipway degree Celsius ka jing sngam ka hau kelong riu pusanna ka shispa. Haba pai pat chnong ba shalong ka jing kriat kelong khatpra degree Celsius ka jing kelong 8 degree Celsius. Kajing sengam kau hau kelong sanpau na kashispa. Kat bahaju wai, kajing krek kelong 4 degree Celsius, kajing kelong 8 degree Celsius. Kajing sengam kau hau kelong nyopue na kashispa, kajing hap slap kelong iwe millimeter. Kasun benang kedum lo, bat kala aru bendo kajing hap slap ka ba malu malah ki bubun ki jaka hatura shalom bajuai. Shoban pojo buku jong tup kubon ye pe biang sesi ni kimat bekongsan. Penkup buram ka All Meghalaya for Teachers Association yang Menteri Rambak Kejelau Konrad Kesang Mahathura lor kejeng penkiu tulok yang kena hikai. Pendamno ke Sorkar Meghalaya kejeng temu bentai ke hotel ha ke dolenong lumpong deng na kejeng pesyak ki padba. On pelong katamasa nyang taser ha ka prab kendai turik jemang hajan ke Nongkelem Wildlife Sanctuary. But ki civil service kita ni kalingkor ka bokongsan ban perulong ke jing temu jo ke Sorkar ban poi hoks ki patba. Ang Vice President Korea India UCP Radhakrishnan. Tipper lok tung la posu buku jong tu kubor jing minta ke janmin hadu bin di syambiang berpilih saya kesni kublai piparo.